What if you had tools that could save your life, right in your backpack? From winter survival to bug-out shelters and ultralight knives, these everyday carry gadgets aren't just cool, they're essential. Let's start with something that could save you from freezing fingers on an icy morning. The Astro AI Snow Brush and Ice Scraper is 27 inches long, giving you extended reach without contorting your body. The tough ABS plastic scraper slices through frost and ice like butter, while the bristle side gently brushes snow away without damaging your car's finish. A foam handle makes it super comfortable to use, even in sub-zero temps. Whether you're digging out after a blizzard or prepping your vehicle for a winter escape, this tool has your back. The Flytanium Arcade Light EDC knife has translucent polycarbonate handles that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie. But don't be fooled, they're tough. The blade is AUS-10, a stainless steel, resistant to rust and built for real-world use. It uses the shark lock mechanism for a super satisfying, rock-solid lockup. And despite its flashy look, it's surprisingly lightweight and pocket-friendly. For urban carry or outdoor use, it's one of the coolest compact knives you'll ever flick open. The moment everything bag might just become your new favorite companion. This compact bag looks minimalist, but inside, it's built for chaos. With dedicated compartments for tech, chargers, EDC tools, and even overnight clothes, it lives up to its name. The durable, water-resistant exterior keeps gear dry, while the padded laptop sleeve and hidden pockets protect what matters. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or hitting the trails, this bag carries everything without looking like it's trying too hard. The Tenergy hand crank radio keeps you connected when everything else goes dark. It's got multiple power sources, crank, solar, and USB, and it doubles as a flashlight, reading lamp, and even a power bank. Tune into AM, FM, or NOAA. Weather alerts when you're off-grid, and use the built-in SOS alarm if you're in a real jam. It's compact, rugged, and designed for emergencies, whether you're deep in the backcountry or facing a blackout at home. A true multi-tool for survival situations. The Firelight Arc Lighter. It's flame-less, windproof, and totally rechargeable, meaning no more lighters dying in cold or wet conditions. With dual plasma arcs, it lights just about anything in seconds, even when the weather isn't playing nice. And as a bonus, it includes a bright LED flashlight right on the handle, making it the perfect 2-in-1 survival tool. The Greyel L Ultraress Titanium makes that possible. This beast of a bottle filters out bacteria, viruses, heavy metals, and microplastics in just 10 seconds. The titanium shell is rugged enough for bushcraft and even doubles as a cooking pot over a fire or camp stove. And yes, it's ultralight and packable too. Whether you're hiking in remote mountains or bugging out in uncertain terrain, this is clean water anywhere, anytime. The Valkcan Bento box is ultralight, corrosion resistant, and designed for real field use. It holds your food, your gear, or even water for boiling in a pinch. The sliding locking lid keeps everything sealed, and foldable handles make it easy to grab right off the fire. Whether you're prepping for a solo overnight trip or want a compact mess kit that won't quit, this bento box pulls its weight. The Ukitel WP28E is built like a tank. It's waterproof, shockproof, and dust resistant. Ready for anything from flash floods to rocky hikes. It packs a massive battery for days of use, even when you're completely off-grid. The tough casing keeps it safe from drops, and it still runs Android smoothly with solid hardware under the hood. Plus, it includes a fingerprint sensor and NFC support for modern needs. If you need a communication lifeline that won't fail in the wild, this is it. The ProCamp Solid Brass Sparker is a rugged fire-starting tool designed to throw sparks reliably in any weather. It works with just one hand, which is huge when conditions are rough or your gear is limited. Inside, you'll find replaceable ferro rods and a stash spot for tinder. The Teslong TTS 260 Thermal Monocular gives you that power. This compact device uses thermal imaging to detect heat signatures from animals, people, or even a warm campfire, day or night, rain or fog. It's lightweight, weather-resistant, and super intuitive to use with one hand. Whether you're tracking wildlife, securing a campsite, or navigating in pitch black, this Monocular gives you a serious tactical advantage. It's like having a sixth sense in your survival kit. The Mystery Ranch Medic Pack isn't your average first aid kit. It's a fully modular, mission-ready medical backpack used by professionals in the field. Designed for maximum accessibility, it opens like a clamshell, so you can grab what you need fast. Internal Velcro panels and detachable pouches let you organize gear exactly how you want it. The padding, straps, and frame system are built for all-day comfort, even under heavy loads. If you're serious about survival or remote medical readiness, this is your mobile ER on your back. The Kaito Voyager Pro radio keeps you informed and powered up. It receives AM, FM, shortwave, and NOAA weather alerts, and has multiple charging options: hand crank, solar, USB, and even batteries. What sets it apart? It's got Bluetooth, a flashlight, and a digital display with real-time alerts. It's not just a survival radio, it's a communication hub that fits in your go bag. When staying connected could be a lifesaver, this radio keeps your lifeline strong. The Nedfos knife is the kind of blade that feels good in your hand and even better in your gear. With a D2 steel blade, G10 handle scales, and a ball-bearing pivot system, it opens smoothly and cuts cleanly every time. It's built to last, sharp, right out of the box, and comes with a deep carry pocket clip for easy EDC. The Gerber Strong Arm is a legend, and now it's even tougher with a MagnaCut steel upgrade. This fixed blade beast is corrosion resistant, holds an edge like a champ, and shrugs off hard use like it's nothing. The rubberized grip offers rock-solid control, even in wet conditions, and the multi-mount sheath system lets you carry it any way you want: horizontal, vertical, or on your male gear. Whether you're batoning wood, cutting cordage, or prepping food in the wild, this knife is up for it all. All-in-one flint and steel kit makes sure you've always got it. It includes a thick ferro rod, a high-carbon steel striker, and even some tinder to get you going. It sparks hot, even in wet or windy conditions, and it's compact enough to stash in your pack, car, or even your jacket pocket. Whether you're starting a fire in the rain or teaching bushcraft skills, this kit takes primitive fire starting back to its roots, with modern reliability. The staple tack strap comes in. It's like a reusable zip tie on steroids. Fully adjustable, ultra strong, and heat resistant, it can cinch down tents, bundles of wood, or emergency gear with one quick pull. Unlike bungees or cords, this strap won't snap or stretch out. Epic OG water bottle makes sure you get it anywhere. This bottle has an integrated filter that removes 99.99% of contaminants, including bacteria, viruses, and heavy metals. No chemicals, no pumps, just fill and sip. It's built for outdoor travel, with a rugged design and a replaceable filter that handles up to 100 gallons. Whether you're hiking, camping, or navigating an emergency, this bottle turns sketchy water sources into peace of mind. The MSK-1 Edge isn't just a knife, it's a full-blown survival system. Designed by survival expert David Canterbury, this EDC blade blends compact size with big capability. It features a high-carbon stainless blade, ergonomic handle, and multiple grip options for precise or heavy-duty tasks. But here's the twist. It has a hidden compartment inside the handle for mini survival gear, like fire starters or fishing line. It's customizable, brutally effective, and made to be your do-it-all survival companion. Whether you're in the woods or on the move, Surviveware's waterproof duct tape is designed specifically for the outdoors. It sticks through rain, mud, and freezing temps, making it perfect for gear repair, emergency shelter, or even first aid. Rip it cleanly by hand and slap it onto anything from torn tarps to cracked water bottles. Small enough to toss in your pack, yet strong enough to hold together your gear and your plans when things go south. That's exactly what the Luminizer does. This smart little lantern uses thermoelectric tech to generate power from heat, creating both light and USB output to charge your devices in the wild. Just pour in cooking oil, light the wick, and you've got instant, renewable energy. It's perfect for extended power outages, bug-out situations, or off-grid adventures where solar isn't an option. The Calkalnake Gaiters offer high-level protection without weighing you down. Made from tough Oxford fabric with anti-bite inserts, they're designed to deflect fangs and keep venom out. Waterproof, breathable, and fully adjustable, they fit over boots and pants for full lower leg coverage. Whether you're hiking through tall grass or bushwhacking off-trail, these gaiters turn a high-risk environment into a safer walk in the wild. This isn't your average flashlight, it's a 2,000 lumen powerhouse with magnetic mounting, 360-degree rotation, and multiple light modes. The Nebo Omni 2K is rechargeable, rugged, and compact enough for EDC, yet bright enough to light up a whole campsite or emergency zone. Whether you're fixing gear in the dark, signaling for help, or navigating tough terrain, this light gives you flexibility and visibility where and when you need it most. That's the full list. 25 survival tools you can actually count on when things get tough. If one of these made your wish list, hit like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more gear that keeps you ready.